Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your classroom app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here and there you're looking for classroom app. Just click on search. Then here at classroom, just click on it. So then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So and you click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Google Classroom. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.